koutou, ko Ben here. He is Ben.
And we'll out today, WINTON School. Call Kase here. He is Kase. Welcome to the N.E.W.S news for Friday, the 17th of March.
Okay, let's get into te kupu or te wiki. This week's word is awhina, which is te reo for help.
As in, Maku koe awhina. I will help you.
My homework?
No, your fashion design.
Awhina, which is te reo for help.
Let's talk about heat-ups, koutou.
1. Have your heat-up named with your room number clearly marked.
2. Have it in the class heat-up tray before school starts. Okay.
On to health and safety news. The clear sky UV forecast for today is moderate from 11 until 5.
So, potae from 11, please. Kia ora.
Hi, VIZ VESTS. Most students are wearing them to and from school. Please do likewise.
Pedestrian Crossing news. Please make sure you are looking carefully before crossing the road.
Look right, look left, and look right again before crossing the road, koutou.
Still on health and safety news. Bikes and scooters. Everyone must walk them within the school grounds.
Otago province of news. You have a meeting in the library today at 12:40 with Mr. T. Kia ora.
Patch news. Can the Winton Bears please meet Ben and Mackenzie in the junior lunch area at 12:45? Kia ora.
And if you missed any notices, you can play the news again or read all the notices in the text box below.
Okay, tomorrow is Ramedi and my favourite wiki because it's Sausage Sizzle Day.
Get your stamps in the library from 8:30, koutou. Correct money, please. And that's it for today. From everyone here at N.E.W.S names, kakitia popo. See you tomorrow.
Haere WINTON School, and kia to all the athletes competing at Central Southland Athletics tomorrow.